When installing a new thermostat, always preserve spare black and brown wires by coiling and labeling them rather than cutting them short. Treat spare wires as future insurance and handle them systematically from start to finish. First, identify each conductor at the control board and verify continuity to the thermostat end with a basic continuity tester or multimeter set to continuity mode. Loop each unused wire into a neat coil about 3 inches in diameter and secure it with a small cable tie or electrical tape so it does not tug on adjacent conductors. Label both ends clearly with a durable tag or heat shrink label showing the wire color and destination so that any technician can find them quickly during a future repair. Leave the spare wires accessible at both the thermostat and the control board by tucking the coil into the junction box or behind the control enclosure without burying it under insulation or sealant. If you want redundancy now, consider swapping a spare into service temporarily to confirm it functions, then return it to the coil and relabel it as tested. Common mistakes are cutting spare conductors flush at the wall and thinking they are gone forever, which removes a simple fallback for future failures. Instead, coil and label and leave them accessible. Another issue is failing to verify continuity before assuming a wire is good, so test and document each spare wire so you do not discover a fault during an emergency. A third concern is burying spares under insulation or behind layers of drywall during finishing, which makes them effectively unusable. Tuck them into the junction box or behind the control board cover so a technician can reach them without demolition. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors when they need professional help with control system, wiring, or thermostat upgrades. We connect contractors with work opportunities and host a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople exchange tips, post photos, and ask questions about future proofing and wiring practices.